Good evening, everyone. Welcome to my another session of Leetcode 50 SQL questions, and we are in the advanced section. And in the advanced section, we are in the first question of select and joins. Previously, we have completed sorting and grouping. So now we are going to solve the first question of select and joins. So let me jump into the first question of joins and selects. It is a kind of advanced questions on joins. Okay, so the question is the number of employees which report to each employees. Question number 1731. So basically, it has a table having employee ID and also having the manager ID which they report to, and the name of the employee and the age. So this employee ID is basically the employee ID, and this report to is basically uh, the ID of the manager to whom the employee reports, and name is the name and it is in varchar. This is the age of the employee. Okay, this is what the table says. Now what the problem is saying is that the problem, we will consider a manager, an employee who has at least one other employee reporting to them. Okay, so a manager is also an employee. Suppose you have an employee ID over here, so that may or may not be manager also. So if he is reporting to someone, someone means in this ID, that means report to this ID will be this employee's manager. Okay, so you know that you know this kind of thing. So basically this is what it is happening. So what we need to find is write a solution to report the IDs and the name of all the managers, the number of employees who report directly to them, and the average age of the report. Okay, so I need to find the employees who directly report to the managers. Okay, so if you have an employee ID, suppose you have, see over here, you have employee 9642 and they report to these IDs. See, 9 is basically the manager. So for that reason it is showing null, because a manager will report to whom? He is head. Okay, head of the team. So now he will not report to anyone. So for that reason, it is taking as null. If you see over here, mm, uh, yeah, the problem is, see over here, the table contains the information about them, and some employees do not report to anyone. Okay, so this report to is null. Okay, so this 9 does not report to anyone. So for this reason, it is saying the null. Similarly, you see for 6 and 4, 6 and 4 report to 9. That means 9 is the manager and the ID of the manager is 9. So 6 and 4 report to 9. Similarly for 2, no one reports. Okay, so output is this one, 9 only. Employee ID is the 9. So he is the direct to employee ID 9. Two of the employees reports directly, and the count of the employees is 2. Reports count is 2. And who is the name of the employee ID of 9 is Hershey. You see over here 9, the name is Hershey, and to 9 who reports employee of 6 and 4. Okay, so and the average age is 39. You will get this by making an average of 41 and 36. Okay, so Hershey has two people report directly to this, Alice and Bob. Their average age is 41 and 36. So this is 38.5, and similar if you round up this one, so it will come as 39. Okay, so this is how, and this is another example. Okay, similar like that only. So it is pretty similar that we have to use join over here. For the logic, if I go for the logics, pretty similar that I have to use logic. I have to use joins. Okay, so what kind of join I am going to use is make a similar kind of tables. Suppose you have a table of E1 and another is E2. Both are employee tables, and you join on employee ID and report ID. Okay, since employee ID and reports to, report ID means the ID of the managers actually. So report to. Okay, so you join that one and you find out the employee IDs of the from the employee table 1, and basically we equate on employee ID and report ID. Okay, on that basis we are going to do a inner join. Okay, so through that we are going to find the count of the reports and also the average, and similarly the employee ID also. So first of all, what I need to find is, let me go through first, select employee ID. Okay, so what I will do is emp1. Let me take the first table as emp1. Okay, employee ID. Okay, I need this employee ID. Next time what I need is emp1 dot name. I need name. Next what I need, count of reports. Okay, so let me write count, and from where I need to do is from emp2, okay, dot report reports 2. So okay, so this is the count, and this one I will take this as reports count, reports underscore count. Okay, so this is one. Secondly, another, I think, find the average age. From average age, similarly from table 2 only I will take this one, amount of avg. Yeah, so EMP and EM2 are both the two tables, okay, of similar kind. Okay, so I am taking first table as EMP1 and second table as EMP2, and now I will go for the joins. Okay, so but let me just write the things what I need to find it out. Okay, so this is how I am going to do. Okay, and in the average, I have to find the average of EMP2 dot age, age. Okay, round to 0 as average age. Okay, done. Okay, now from employees emp1, take this from emp1 and inner join employees employees emp2. Okay, and write the condition on join on emp2 dot reports equals to emp1 dot employee ID. Okay, emp2 reports. Okay, I am doing the inner join and report to an employee ID. I think the inner join is done. Now I need to group by. Group by is very essential because it will consider per employees. Okay, so group by is very essential. Group by employee ID. First I will go for emp1 dot ID. In condition they have provided return the result table order by employee ID. Okay, I have to use the order by also, and I will consider emp1 dot name also order by emp1 dot I think it is okay now. It's okay. I have done the round off on emp2.age of the average value of the ages, and here I have done the emp report 2. Okay, so employee 2 of report 2, and now okay, I think everything is okay now. Let me run the code. Run the code is accepting. Submit the test cases now. Let me see whether my test case accept all the cases or not. Okay, accepted. Okay, so this is what the solution for 1731. A bit of easy solution on inner join. We have a main logic of this question is we need to go for a inner join on the report to an employee ID, and then on we can easily get these values of count of reports and average of ages. Okay, and nothing is there in this because unless we do a join on both the tables, so from there only we can consider the count of the employees to whom they are reporting, and parallelly what it is going on is that it is grouping on the basis of group by on the basis of employee ID and name. So it is taking per employees, and on the basis of that it is checking whether the reporting of the same ID is matching or not. Okay, so in that way the count is performing, and similarly we are taking the age from the age table actually, and we are rounding off the age, average age. Okay, so this is what a medium type a question of advanced joins. Okay, so question number 1731, that's all for this, and I think we will see you in the next video for another next question on joins. Okay, so till then, take care, bye.